So I'm going to say this about 49 for the waltz. People always take a look at 49, and after I kind of start to teach some of this here, people start to freak out because they realize that it really is a challenge. Please remember that in music that there's patterns. If you can find the pattern, you'll actually find that this song is not hard at all. The very beginning, it really, though, can be quite stressful in taking a picture at everything that we have here. So here's what's going to happen. First thing, you're going to notice that this is not in C position. Your left hand starts in regular position, and your left hand stays in the position. The right hand is the one that's going to be moving out of position. Please notice that the left thumb is going to start on G, but your right first finger, look at this is a B. Your first finger is on a B in the bass clef. So here was middle C. Your right thumb is going to start there on B. Notice it goes 1, 2, and 3. So the rhythm's going to be this: bump, 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 bump. Notice that this pattern, and this pattern is exactly the same. Here's the catch. The first time you play it, your right thumb is on a B. Then it has there's that circle again. That circle means you're shifting. It goes to a C. So your right thumb goes to regular C position there. Then it moves up again onto D. Now, dynamic change, loud to soft. Finger 4 was on G. It's the same note. So where your finger 4 is, now put 3. That's all you need to do. Then from there on down, you're going to switch all the way down, going from 3, and you have this pattern again. If you learn this and this, you'll notice it's the same. You also notice same, same, almost identical, and you don't have to play this again. All you have to do is the ending. So truthfully, this song really is only 2 lines long. So let me break this whole thing down for you now so you can see the piano. So it starts off with an accent. I forgot to show that to you. Accent, a reminder, that's a little alligator mouth type thing. So alligator mouth, please make sure that you press that one down harder. That's your accent. There's the staccato, and all of these squiggly funky lines, those are slurs. All right, so here we go from the very beginning. I'm going to start on the very beginning and understanding where to put your hands. So start off always with your hands in regular C position. All you do is you go down 1 note. So here's C position again, 2 black keys, that white key, there's your left thumb. Instead of having your right thumb on C, it's now on a B. There's only 1 white key in between this time, okay? So it starts here, accent 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now it says to move your right thumb up by 1. So you're going to here. Left hand thumb stays where it is. 1, 2, and 3. Now it goes again. It has another 1 circled. So your right thumb is now going to go to D position. Left thumb stays. Now it goes, and to the last measure it says finger 4. So you press down finger 4 on G, and then people get really confused with this, but it's the same exact note. So instead of having finger 4, you hold it down for 2 beats, and then you go to your third finger, which then sets you up for measure 5. You're already on G, so you're now playing a 4th G. The pattern is this. It goes from here, up, down, down. Then, where your second finger is, so we're on an F, we then go from an F and we take our third finger and we put the third finger on that F. Where the second finger is, put your third finger. Then it says to put finger 2s together, 2 in the left and right, goes up, down, down. Now, I'm going to play just that little section and I'm going to go slow. We're not playing through the whole thing yet, but it sounds like this. Finger 4, down 3, switch 3, stays the same, 2s, ups, down, down. That's that whole section. Now at 9, it does it again. Here we are. Finger 4, but softly. Notice it's the same, second finger to third finger. Here's that second to last measure. Look. Now it says to add the left hand, finger 2s, and go down a note. There's that dotted half note that I was talking about. So that's worth 3 beats. So make sure that you hold it down for 3 and then let go. Again, I can see that for some of you that this is going to be daunting. Please take the time to try it at least. So it goes from your left hand, and here's what it should sound like if done right. That's the whole thing. Please, again, remember, every time you see a circle, it's moving. Notice this is going up, right? Switches here on the G, finger 3, and now in general all the music is going down. You're going from a B position, right thumb, to a C position, to a D position. You stay here for a little while. It then goes back to here, okay? And you'll get yourself all the way down so that you'll end up at this spot. Please make sure that you're switching all those positions or you really will have a major problem. If you don't read those notes, everybody, please spend the time reading the notes. Find the pattern and you'll really appreciate it.